Hi guys, today I'm playing with a fan, and we're going to play Animal Hospital with his friend. If someone wants to be in the vid, I'm gonna say so. So sure, no, get back, no, get back. Nope, I'm not playing with the secretary. No, I mean I'm not playing with the secret angel avatar. I'm telling them not to leave. No need to worry. 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 I think they're mad. I think they're mad. To a screenshot. He wants to add me? Sure, why not, bro? He wants to SS. No, I'll SS it. It's like I never played this ever. I am cool. Yeah, I haven't played this in a long time. Wait, did my... Oh. Oh. Be doing 2 records per day. I think I said it right. August song? Did I spell it right? I don't know if I spelled it right. I want to join in on his challenge. That I do have some Robux now. It's so hard to be. Yo, who's that? Hold on, that's a patient. Hold on, is that patient? No. Bro, I've been wanting to voice reveal for a long time. How can you break the glass, huh? Can't break. How did you break? How are you breaking? What? Guys, I know. I have to give him coffee. Get out. Ah! Why did I do that? I need coffee. 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 I need coffee, bro. I need coffee. Okay. Get this up to 44%. Scotch up screen. Well, like I didn't know it will give you -20. I wish you can zoom out. Wow. Hmm. Big Small has its advantages. I hear. Think I don't know if it's just me. But I think Ratfield might be paranoid. Oh yeah. Uh. Also, like I said, shout out to my fan. His YouTube channel is Pizza Guy. And also, I want you to go to his channel and try to give him. I mean, I already said go to his channel. Okay, shouting out, but I want you to try to give him as much support as you can. I love to support my fans, unlike some YouTubers, including. Hold on. Barely any YouTubers support their fans besides small creators. They all support their fans. No, not all. Since I can finally record for 20 minutes, I can make a full animal hospital video. So y'all won't be bored. But I feel like I might die. I'm gonna tell them I'm on 42 sanity. Y'all guys are gonna hear talking in the back since I have an Xbox. My friend just joined my party. Should I go join? No, 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 no. There's no way I'm doing this on recording. This is something, nothing will go on. One. Oh, you guys are gonna hear my friends. 'Cause some of y'all might recognize them. Mm, what if I game chat and my friends stuff? I can't. I'm stuck in game chat. But you're not gonna remember the pattern. Why am I stuck? Oh. Yo, stop dinging! Jeez, can't you be patient? I don't know how he's gonna do an email. Okay? Mm, 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 mm. I knew it. I can't begin it. I think if you click the skulls, it will kill the patient for you. I'm gonna leave my fan behind. I'm sorry, fan. Dun, 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 Since we have a nurse, we can probably do an ambulance pretty easy. But can't I buy a gun? Oh man. Oh yeah, won't start that kind of game here because I don't even. Hold on, let me tell my friend. After. Uh, 23 minutes. I'm not. I want to be. Well, animals, but let's go. Wanna? I think I could buy 1,000. Yeah, yeah, I'm Spider-Man. She gonna ride me like a groove. Then I left her. And she's like, I'm sunflower. He's like a sunflower. I'm sunflower. Like even though I can't talk to Prince, I could just go to my avatar. Look, this is what they usually call Prince. Prince. Prince, I need you to help me. Prince. Mm-hmm. Make a bid on ability. Wait, I realized just switch games because uh-uh. The white guy was an anomaly. Oh boy, that sound is making me. Who are you going to visit rat, rat, few, few. There might be a few rats. That's few. Oh, you visiting? You're visiting. The bed is empty. This place really does something. So you're just looking. Can't binge. Yeah. Like 360 degrees just to look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Mm-mm. Grab this. Put this. It's a flower. It's a flower. That kind of looks like. What do you mean I didn't even look at the stalker? Ooh, that's a patient. He was an anomaly. Why is that? Where? Where? You're not giving me anything. What? Hmm. Ding, ding, ding. What is this? I want to know what I look like. What I want to Okay, I'll stop for the weird noise. Oh wait, I forgot. I said I'll end the video at 3 minutes. I mean 24 minutes. Bye guys. See you on the next one. So out.